Yeah. Well, that was right. You see what they see in this kind of what the point in that? Exactly. See the firework! I just stopped you at the look up! You weren't looking up! I see you not looking up! I was glad you were guessing up! And you're like, and then just walk away again.
Did you get there early? 2 times?
Yeah.
Put it up to 3 times and everything?
2 what?
Right.
Oh. Yeah. But I bet everyone knows that, so everyone gets there early. I just put my foot and people end up getting there like 4 seconds. Top and always pretty real. They have a head. Oh, not really real. They're supposed to be real. They are real. It's annoying. It's like that's like you. Come on, yeah. Although it was perfect. Who is the most blonde out of your friends? Oh my god, perfect. You had to stop and come from the mouth. Yeah, it only took seconds to first. When you left them, you answered too many questions, so we'll let me just you put left. I had 18 expectations about you. Who? Lucy, you had 17 questions about me. Then you had one. Yeah, it wouldn't let me Oh, that photo of you look funny in that photo. I know. Yeah. My mum what you can ask me and get that would be I love you tomorrow. Yeah. It's amazing. It's amazing cheese. I'm gonna get one of them. Right, no yeah. He went to the and he ordered a foot-long sandwich and he said why are you choosing? You now? Now, just depends on one of those audience iPhones. Ooh. Oh, yeah. Oh. Ooh. Oh. You like back there for a while.